In July 2017, the Caribbean Brawlers Group launched Imagination Farms to produce homegrown products. Now, it's planting onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, sorrel, sweet corn, and West Indies Sea Island cotton on 400 acres of farmland in Hill Run, St. Catherine. Caribbean Brawlers reaped 12 acres of onions under its homegrown brand. This venture is responding to an appeal from government for ramped-up local production of onions.
The statistics are telling us that right now we import over 80% of the onion that we eat.
It is hoped that Imagination Farms' output will help to reduce imports by 10%. The company has plans to increase this to 50% over the next 5 years.
We have a targeted program where we are looking at import substitution and looking at export potential. So, for example, for onions, we want to be a part of the thrust to curtail the amount of imports coming to the country. We're importing about 4 million US, 9 million kgs, and we think that Imagination Farms regarding onions, and we want to be a part of that process in terms of stemming, arresting the importation, and we have started on a good road. So our yields have been good.
This project by CB is demonstrating that it can be done here, and it can be done at a competitive price, and it can be sold to the supermarkets and sold to the hotels at a reasonable price. And it's a fresh product that's coming straight out of the ground. They're going to plant another 60 acres. Onions, onions, onions.
The government is calling on more farmers to pick up the mantle and help curtail our onion imports. And support is on offer through the Agricultural Push Start program.
And this is one where anything coming through, rather, that is the inputs. The seed, the fertilizer, and the spray will be given to the farmers up front. As long as you prepare the land, RADA will have the seed, the fertilizer, and the spray to give you when you are ready to plant. That means that the only thing that you need to do is to provide the labor and to make sure that you take care of the crop.
For more information on the Agricultural Push Start program, call or visit your nearest Rural Agricultural Development Authority RADA office. Imagine it, believe it. You can play your part in helping to lower Jamaica's high import costs.